With the tiara. Happy 40.
Oh my God.
Paparazzi.
Oh wow.
Uju! Oh my God! Happy 40th!
Thank you. Good. Oh my God.
I know the surprises. We had to surprise you.
Oh my goodness.
So there is so much more out there. There's so much more in there for you.
Oh, wow.
But while we wait to celebrate you, what does it feel like for the surprise part?
Overwhelmed. I'm speechless, to say the least. But I'm grateful to God for everything, and for my husband Onyi Ekwegbalu.
Wonderful guy.
Oh.
So when Onyi told me that it was your birthday, I said I have to move things around to be here because you're a confident woman, you're so loving, it doesn't matter who's in front of you, you treat everyone really well. So we are so excited to celebrate you as our wife, our friend, our mother, and so much more that you are to the community and also to just Onyi as a whole as well. We appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
I see my beautiful family.
All right, we're gonna go right in, and there's a lot more to come.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, Onyi,
Yes, ma.
it's so good to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you too.
You're a phenomenal husband. I was telling you this, there's so many guys, especially in the US, that don't pull the red carpet out for their wife's 40th or any kind of birthday party. Why was it so important for you to demonstrate your love in this particular manner?
Because she's a phenomenal lady, and I wanted to celebrate her today, and I want the whole world to know that she's been very good. Had 4 kids, and also is a wonderful wife to me, and we're very happy.
How did you manage to keep it a surprise until now? The look on her face was just priceless.
Because surprise is what I do. I mean, I don't know, with help of good friends and family and everybody, man, everybody worked together to do it, so I'm excited.
Okay, let's get you out of this heat and
Please,
go right in.
thank you. Pardon my thing because my bow tie just arrived. So
Take care. All right, folks, we're here with 3 wonderful children, 2 of whom are Uju's kids and Onyi, and they're going to tell us what this occasion means for them, and we're going to talk to their friend. Introduce yourself to everyone.
My name is Chimelo, and I'm Uju's son and Onyi's son.
Okay, and what do you think about mommy turning 40 and the big celebration daddy has for her?
I think she's having a good birthday party today.
Awesome. And what about you? Introduce yourself.
My name is Lotana Ekwegbalu.
Okay, and Lotana, what does it mean for you to see dad do this awesome party for mommy?
I feel grateful and I will have a good time.
Yes, we're going to have a great time. And introduce yourself.
My name is Farron Joey.
Okay, and how are you related to this wonderful boys here?
Well, when I was like a 1-year-old, I used to go to their house all the time.
Okay, and how do you feel like Auntie Uju having this big party that Uncle Onyi has thrown for them?
Well, I feel happy for her. Uncle Onyi made this big celebration, and it just feels like a big honor.
It is an honor, and we're so excited. Thank you all so much for the beautiful interview. Thank you. Have a great time. Hi everyone, I'm with Ogale Kolo. Did I say that right? Or Ogale Kolo? Okay, Ogale Kolo. And hi, how are you this evening?
I'm good, thank you.
You look absolutely stunning.
Oh, thank you.
I really like the earrings.
Oh, thanks.
So how do you know those 2 wonderful people, Uju and Onyi?
Yeah, you use the right word, wonderful. They are wonderful people. They are members of my church, the Christ Anglican Church in Marietta, and they are very, very active in the church. In the children's ministry, they are phenomenal. They are awesome.
Okay, so why don't you tell us one key quality that you really, really like about Uju? Look in the camera, tell her that, so that way she knows.
There's so many qualities. Which one am I going to say is key? Is it dependability? She's just, in fact, Uju is very dependable. You ask Uju to do anything for you, she's right on top of it. Our church, all our members that have like baby showers, Uju takes care. She is always on top of it. She plans everything, and the whole ceremonies really go like awesome. She is awesome.
Awesome, thank you. Hey folks, I've got two wonderful, wonderful people with me. They're family members, so I'll let them introduce themselves to you.
Hello, this is Chukuma Umodu. Uju is a dear cousin of mine. I'm so proud of her. I've watched her grow up. I can't believe she's only 40 years, but she's been a wonderful, wonderful part of our family.
Okay, and then introduce yourself and tell us one big thing that you really, really love about Uju.
Well, my name is Ogochukwu, and I'm married to Chukuma, Uju's cousin. And from what I've heard about Uju, you know, she's really a very lovely lady, and I love her height.
Yes, height is good. Thank you. Oh,
Good basketball player.
Okay, awesome. I'll have to play basketball with her because I played 3 to 4 times a week. So awesome, awesome, awesome.
Her notes.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. We appreciate you for being here.
Happy birthday, Uju.
Yeah, happy birthday, Uju.
Kò sọ́mọ bí rẹ̀, kò sí bàbá bí rẹ̀, kò má sọ́nà rú bí rẹ̀. Ẹ bá mi gbọ́ lọ́rùn tóbi. 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 Ìwé. I say, Jesus, Jesus, Iwe, for the celebrant one more time, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. We thank God tonight for we have come to join this family to celebrate our sister Uju. I always call her Ujunwa. So I want to thank God for a time like this. So I want us to rise and lift our hands to God so that we can pray. We give you all the glory. We give you honor. Oh, we give you all the glory. Our Father in heaven, we exalt your name. From generation to generation, Lord, your name is the same. We want to give you glory, we want to honor you. We want to praise, Lord, your holy name. Unto the mighty hand of the Lord I commit you. The Lord will protect you. The Lord will favor you. The Lord will guide you. The glory of the Lord will dwell upon you. You will rise, no man shall stand before you. Because you are God's anointed, we perform against you shall prosper. This is our prayer. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
Thank you so much, Pastor. We appreciate you.
So if we start from that far end and just go table by table, in terms of it's we're faced out, and so if you just go out right outside and help me.